No one likes it when their once beautiful roof has dark stains on it. But the blemishes don't just pose an aesthetic problem, they can also signal one of the most damaging problems plaguing roofs throughout Tarrant County: roof algae. And that means you need Keller Texas residential roof repair from First Texas Roofing. What causes roof algae? It's common on asphalt shingle roofing, but can grow on other roofing materials, such as tile. Warm, humid climates, like ours, serve as ideal growing conditions for roof algae. Roof algae often appear in dark streaks similar to water stains, but it can also appear in many other forms: round lichens, green or brown moss, and green, black, or white spots. Most agree that roof algae is unsightly, but is it really dangerous for your residential roof? If gone unremedied, yes. Algae retains water, leading to potential water damage to your roof. It weakens your roof materials and can even bring down your property value. Wood rot occurs when roof algae causes water stagnation and seepage under your roofing materials. Did we also mention that roof algae is bad for your health? Breathing in the spores can lead to respiratory issues. Don't let your home and your family suffer because of an easily treatable roof problem. Call a certified roof inspector, like those at First Texas Roofing, who can help identify and treat your roof algae with residential roof repair in Keller, Texas, to keep your roof looking great and functioning correctly.